Hi guys, it's Luke from Luke's Mushrooms. We have Monday the 10th of April 2023. Currently I'm in Slovakia, checking some places good for morels or early morels, but nothing is here yet. So I will show you something I found yesterday and also a few days ago in Czech Republic. So let's start with the earliest footages. Normally you would say that this is some ugly place in some random forest, but what I say, this is a great place for early morels, and that's why we are here, because there are some of them here. This is the first one to pick, and it's far not the only one. So let's continue. Here is a very small one. This one deserves to stay. And we will continue picking some others. This one is too old. Seems like it got the dry or something. But this one looks okay. Getting also a bit dry, but I hope it's still usable. So the first two. This one I didn't see before, but I'm taking it. It's the third one. Quite small, but very nice. Number 4. And there are some more, at least 2 more that I can already see. And I believe there are tons of those which I cannot see because they are so well camouflaged. Number 5, very nice. And number 6. This is quite a big one also. Not as huge as some other people are finding these days, but for me this is great. And about the trees here, I think there are mostly willows and poplars and some random others which I cannot identify well. And while I was telling you about the trees, I have noticed one more early morel, so I will take it. It's very pretty. So I call them early morels. The Latin name is Verpa bohemica. It's nice to find them directly in Bohemia, which is Czech Republic. Just noticed one more, but this one looks probably to be quite dry. Not sure if I should take it, maybe not. But there are more and more around here. So yeah, let's pick a couple of more that I have found just now. I stopped counting, but I think what I had in my hand was 5, 6 and 7, so this should be 8. This one is bigger and a bit dry, so I will check at home if it's still okay. Maybe it's pre-dehydrated, which should be okay if there is no mold on it, so this one should be checked. And this place should be checked also, because we have many of them. I think I kicked into this one, I didn't notice it. Pretty nice one. So yeah, I know about some more, so I will pick those and then I will search around this place even more. So I will pick other two, actually three, which I have discovered before I started to record it. This one is probably the prettiest so far, and maybe one of the largest as well. And it has a twin which looks almost the same. Here. This should be also a good picture for my Instagram. If you are not following me there, maybe it's a good time to start. If you would like to see mostly my mushroom pictures. And here is the third one. Also a very nice one. So 3 more guys, and I hope there will be more to come soon. So here I have 3 more. Very well hidden, but I found it fortunately. A smaller one with interesting shape, which I was also taking a picture of. So 2 brothers, and there is one more beauty. Maybe their older sister. I saw this guy at first. This wasn't so difficult to see when I got here, but it has some well camouflaged friends around. This one wasn't easy to spot. Was hidden between the leaves, but it looks nicely. Just some dirt or maybe even mold on it. If you know what this brown or orange stuff on the stem is, you can also let me know in the comments. I will appreciate it. This one's head got separated from the stem because something probably tried to eat it. This one was the best hidden, and I believe you can understand why I think that there are many of them which I didn't notice. But this one, I believe this is mold, so I will probably let it be, despite most of it looks nice. But I have a rule that if there is mold at least on a part of the mushroom, I don't take it. As a child, I always liked to play hide and seek. And if you think that this is an early morel, no, it's just piece of dry moss. But it looked like. However, there is something here, extremely well camouflaged. And there was one more. I just need to get there through these dense bushes. Two nice siblings from here. Here is a scarlet elf cup, the only one at this location so far. Another nice spot. A nice one. Here is a very tiny one. We'll let it be. Same as for this one. Also very tiny. But this one will go with me. So, two new guys to the family. This is a place where I searched already, but as I said, they are masters of camouflage. A nice one. So, some more. I thought this one was the smallest, but the stem is pretty tall, so it's decent, definitely. Another one, but unfortunately this one seems to be catching some mold, so I will leave it be here. Then there is one more which is old and broken. And another nice one. So, quite pretty. Time to clean them. So here they are, probably the best find of this species for me so far. I'm looking for places where potentially some early morels or even true morels could grow. This one looks like that, but maybe I'm too early. There are some primroses already. And also quite many scarlet elf cups at this place. For example, these two, which look a bit older already. Some more here. Or here. Another one. Many more up here. This one seems to be very huge. Yeah, it's a giant. And I have seen many more, either scarlet elf cups or primroses here. Here is a stick full of yellow brains. I like this mushroom because of the color. Look at this small scarlet elf cup. It's growing out from this wooden stick. It's very tiny, but there are more of them around. For example, these huge guys. Also nice primroses here. And more scarlet elf cups. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If yes, please click the like button, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends, or you can also check the links in the description. For example, my Twitter, Instagram or Facebook. You can buy prints, or you can visit other of my links down there. So thank you all for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.